Bangkok is one of those cities where your hotel budget can completely change your trip, without necessarily changing how much fun you have. Spend $59 and get a clean room, hot shower, and easy city access. Spend $259 and suddenly you're sipping champagne by an infinity pool with a view of the Chao Phraya River. But what do you actually get for that $200 difference? Tonight, we're finding out, by staying in two completely different hotels on the exact same night. One is a budget boutique stay right in Sukhumvit. The other is a full-on 5-star riverside resort that promises to make you feel like royalty. And here's the twist, you might be surprised which one actually feels like the better deal. Because in Bangkok, cheap doesn't always mean basic, and expensive doesn't always mean perfect. The $59 stay, budget boutique. Our first stop is a 3-star boutique hotel just a short walk from Sukhumvit BTS. The entrance is unassuming but spotless, with a small but friendly lobby. Check-in is quick, no welcome drinks, no frills, but no wait either. Within 5 minutes, you're in your room. The room itself is compact but smartly designed, a queen bed with crisp white sheets, a small writing desk, a mini fridge, and a bathroom with a rain shower. There's no balcony, but the AC is strong and the Wi-Fi is fast, two things budget travelers really care about. And surprisingly, the noise from the street is almost non-existent, thanks to good soundproofing. Breakfast is basic but free, scrambled eggs, toast, fresh fruit, and coffee. It's not Instagram worthy, but it gets the job done before a long day of exploring. There's a small rooftop terrace with a few tables where you can enjoy a cold beer while watching the city traffic crawl by. No pool, no gym, but for $59, this is more than enough. The $259 stay, 5-star riverside luxury. Now we cross the river and step into an entirely different world. The lobby is huge, marble floors, chandeliers, fresh flower arrangements everywhere. You're greeted by staff who know your name before you even say it. Check-in happens while you sit on a velvet chair, sipping a welcome drink. The room is easily double the size of the budget stay. There's a king-sized bed, plush bedding, and a sitting area with a view of the river. The bathroom is a work of art, marble counters, soaking tub, rainfall shower, and luxury toiletries. There's even a pillow menu so you can pick exactly how soft or firm you want to sleep. The balcony is the highlight. Step outside and the entire Chao Phraya River is laid out in front of you, with boats gliding past and the city glowing at night. Downstairs, the infinity pool stretches along the riverbank, lined with sunbeds and cabanas. There's a full spa offering massages, facials, and even Thai herbal treatments. Breakfast here is an event, not a meal. Live cooking stations, fresh pastries, sushi, champagne, and exotic tropical fruit. You could spend an hour here just trying everything. Comparing space and comfort, let's break down what the $200 difference buys you. Square footage? The luxury room is double the size. Bed quality? The $59 bed is firm but fine. The $259 bed feels like sleeping on a cloud. Bathroom experience? The budget stay is functional, but the luxury stay feels like a spa day. Even the little things add up: bathrobes, slippers, turn-down service, a welcome fruit basket. You're not just paying for space, you're paying for small touches that make the stay feel indulgent. Location differences: the $59 hotel wins if you want to be near Bangkok's nightlife, shopping, and BTS access. You can walk to Terminal 21, hop on a train, and be anywhere in minutes. The $259 hotel wins if you want peace and quiet. It's a world away from the chaos, with free boat shuttles to Icon Siam and Sathorn Pier so you can still get around easily. It comes down to whether you want the buzz of the city outside your door or a retreat to come back to. Hidden costs: this is where things get interesting. At the budget hotel, your extra spending is almost zero. Dinner might be $3 from the street vendor across the road. At the luxury hotel, a single cocktail can cost as much as your entire breakfast from a cafe down the street. Dinner at the on-site restaurant? Easily $40, $50 per person. It's easy to spend double what you expected once you're in that kind of setting. But if you love a hotel as destination trip, it can be worth it. Service and experience: service at the budget stay is efficient and polite. No one is pampering you, but you get what you need. Service at the luxury hotel is anticipatory. Staff seem to appear with water before you even realize you're thirsty. Your name is remembered, your preferences noted, and everything feels effortless. Who should choose which? If you're a digital nomad, solo traveler, or backpacker looking to stretch your budget, the $59 hotel is perfect. It keeps your nightly cost low so you can spend more on food, attractions, and maybe a rooftop bar splurge. If you're on a honeymoon, celebrating an anniversary, or just want to feel like a movie star for a night, the $259 stay is absolutely worth it. You'll remember that balcony view and infinity pool long after the trip is over. Mixing it up, the smart traveler strategy. Here's the pro tip: you don't have to choose just one. Do a few nights in a budget boutique to explore Bangkok on the cheap. Then splurge for 1 or 2 nights at a luxury property as a finale to your trip. You'll get both experiences, the local vibe and the VIP treatment, without blowing your entire budget. This way, you get the best of both worlds: street food and night markets one night, champagne breakfast and river views the next. The takeaway: Bangkok is one of the only cities where you can have 2 completely opposite hotel experiences on the same trip and still feel like you won. The $59 stay gives you freedom and a true taste of local life. The $259 stay gives you luxury, relaxation, and a chance to slow down. Both are right. Both are worth it. The real magic happens when you combine them and experience Bangkok from both sides.